The sum of two irrational numbers multiplied by the larger one is 70 and their difference is multiplied by the smaller one is 12. What are the two numbers? Let's consider the first information. That is, when we multiply sum of two irrational numbers by the larger one, the result is 70, which is a rational number. Since the result is a rational number, the two irrational numbers must be like irrational numbers. Like irrational numbers means we must have the same number inside the radical sign. In answer choices A and B, we don't have the same number inside the radical sign, that is inside the square root. Here we have 2 and 3, here we have 2 and 5. We can reject answer choices A and B. In C and D, we have the same number inside the radical sign, that is 3 over here, 3 over here, here 2, 2. So answer choice C or D must be correct. Let's verify answer choice C whether it meets the conditions given in the question. Okay, now let's add these two irrational numbers. That is 5 times square root of 3, positive 2 times square root of 3. Now I've added the two irrational numbers. That is we got the sum of two irrational numbers. Now this sum has to be multiplied by the larger one. In these two irrational numbers, the larger one is 5 times square root of 3. Let's multiply this one by 5 times square root of 3. Okay, here when I add 5 square root of 3 and 2 square root of 3, I am getting 7 square root of 3 times 5 square root of 3. Okay, let's multiply these two irrational numbers. 7 times 5 is 35. When I multiply square root of 3 and square root of 3, I am getting 3. 35 times 3 is 105. When I multiply the sum of the two irrational numbers by the larger one, I am getting the result 105. But the information says it is 70. So the two irrational numbers in answer choice C do not meet the first condition we have over here. So we can reject answer choice C as well. Now let's consider the two irrational numbers in answer choice D. Let's take the first condition. That is we have to get the sum. That means we have to add the two irrational numbers. 2 square root of 2, positive 5 square root of 2. Now this one has to be multiplied by the larger one. The larger one is 5 times square root of 2. Okay, here when I add these two numbers, I am getting 7 times square root of 2 times 5 times square root of 2. Okay, here 7 times 5 is 35. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. 35 times 2 is 70. Here when I multiply the sum of the two irrational numbers by the larger one, I am getting the result 70. That is exactly we have in the given information. Anyway, so let's verify the second information as well. Now we have to get the difference, and the difference has to be multiplied by the smaller one. The result must be 12. Now to get the difference of these two rational numbers, we have to subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. That is 5 times square root of 2, negative 2 times square root of 2. It has to be multiplied by the smaller one. The smaller one is 2 times square root of 2. Okay, when I simplify this one, I am getting 3 times square root of 2 times 2 times square root of 2. Here 3 times 2 is 6. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is just 2. 6 times 2 is 12. When I multiply the difference of two irrational numbers by the smaller one, the result is 12. The same we have over here. So the two irrational numbers in answer choice D meet both the conditions given in the question. The correct answer choice for this question is D.